Hello friends, I'm Prachi and today I'm going to teach you a technique known as EFT, that is Emotional Freedom Therapy. This technique is basically used as a stress management tool. So you must be undergoing many negative emotions during the day, like you must be feeling very stressed, tensed, or you must be feeling fear, you must be hurt because of some situations of your life and you're not able to forget it. So EFT is the very good tool and it's a clinically proven technique to help you release your negative emotions like hurt, guilt, depression, irritation, frustration. Any kind of negative emotion can be released with the help of EFT. So it is also used to overcome your negative memories. There must be some things in your life which you have not forgotten. You are not able to overcome those particular issues of your life. There must be some hurt you won't be able to forgive the other person, and there are some self-limiting beliefs like I'm not good enough, I'm useless, no matter how hard I work, I'm not able to get the results, I'm not worthy of receiving love, I'm not worthy of getting the success, it's not possible for me. This is the most common belief that most people have. I can't do it. So to get over all these self-limiting beliefs, to get over all the emotional blocks, to get over all the negative memories of your life, EFT is the best tool that you can use. It is used by all psychologists, therapists all over the world. It is also used by doctors for healing their clients for their health issues, because 85% of the health issues are stress induced. So there are so many emotional blocks inside you that are creating these health problems. Even I use it for my clients. I am an EFT practitioner and consultant, and I use it on almost all my clients and help them to create confidence. I help them to release their negative emotions. I help them to overcome their psychological disorders like OCD, bipolar depression, and there are so many psychological disorders that can be healed because of EFT. You need to just identify the root cause of the problem. I have got amazing results with the help of EFT. I have healed people to come out of their relationship issues, their health issues, and also the self-performance issues. So friends, today I am going to teach you this technique. It's a very easy technique. If you do it for 10 to 15 minutes every day, you will be able to overcome your everyday stress, tension, and you will be able to lead a stress-free life and also a happy life. It's an emotionally free life. Understand, here we are not trying to manage the emotions, but we are going to release it completely from our system, from our body, and from our mind. So let's go for this technique. So this technique is a combination of acupuncture technology and modern psychology. In this, basically we tap on the acupuncture points. So tapping means this way. So this is known as tapping. Like as you can see, I'm tapping on the hand point. This is the first point on which we have to tap while doing EFT. So this is known as hand point. And we say out some affirmations like, even though I'm having stress of my studies, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this stress. So this is an affirmation that we say while doing EFT. So friends, let's start learning this EFT. So first I will tell you some acupuncture points. So the first point is the hand point. So this is the first point. You have to tap. So this area is the area which you need to stimulate. So you can tap like this, or you can tap like this. The most important thing is you have to just stimulate this point. So this is the first point. The second point is the starting point of eyebrows. So you can use both the sides of your body. You can use both the sides. So you can tap like this. Using these two fingers, you can tap like this. Then side of the eye, there is a bone. On this bone, you have to tap. Then under the eye, there is a bone. So you have to be very soft and gentle while tapping. You don't have to be very hard while tapping. Under the nose. Then chin point, then collarbone point. So you have to tap on the collarbone point like this. You can use your whole hand and you can tap like this. And there is one more point which is at the center of your chest like this here. So you have to move 3 inches towards your left and right and you have to tap like this. If you are finding difficulty locating the point, use your whole hand and you can tap like this. so that that point is stimulated. And one more point is there, that is top of the head. So friends, let's revise the points. So first point is hand point. Then there are 3 points in the eye, that is the starting point of the eyebrows, the side of the eye and under the eye. Then there is under the nose, then chin point, then collarbone and the chest point and top of the head. So these are the main acupuncture points on which we are going to tap, and we are going to say some affirmations. So I am going to just take an example. Suppose, for example, you are very hurt because of your relationships. You are hurt because of your parents, you are hurt because of your friends, and there are some relationship issues. So how do we overcome this hurt? So the most important setup statement is that we have to start with even though. We have to say, even though I am hurt, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this hurt. So first step is accepting that emotion and becoming comfortable in that particular situation. So you have to start with even though this has happened with me, still I am comfortable with this. I accept this hurt, I accept this emotion. Suppose if you have fear of public speaking. So what you have to say is, even though I have fear of public speaking, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this fear. Okay, suppose you have depression. So how you will say, even though I am depressed because of this situation, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself in this situation. Or you can say, even though I am depressed because of this situation, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this depression. So you have to say this 3 times on the hand point. So let's start with this hurt. If you are hurt, how you will do EFT? Even though I am hurt because of the situation, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this hurt. Even though I am hurt because of the situation, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself in this situation. Even though I am hurt because of the person, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this hurt. Even though I am very much hurt because of the situation, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself in this situation with this hurt. I accept myself completely. So the first step is acceptance. You have to accept that fear, you have to accept the hurt, you have to accept the frustration, the irritation, the depression. There are some things which are not happening in your life and you're really frustrated because of that. So how will you do for that? Even though I'm really frustrated because I'm not able to achieve whatever I want, life is not going according to me, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this frustration. I accept myself in this situation. I accept this frustration inside me. So the first step is acceptance. EFT works best when you accept the emotion. So this is the first step. You have to start with even though, you have to state the emotion, and then you have to say at the end, still I love and accept myself with this emotion. So this is the first step. And in the second step, what we have to do is, we have to emphasize on the emotion. So first you have to identify the emotion, accept the emotion, and then you have to emphasize on the emotion, and whatever you feel about that particular situation, you have to say it. Like suppose you are very hurt because of your parents, or because of your husband, or because of your wife. So whatever you feel about that situation, you have to say it. So in the second step, you have to start from the eyebrow point. So what you have to say is, you have to emphasize on that emotion, saying this hurt, this hurt, this hurt, this hurt. I felt really hurt because of her. She really hurt me. She was not able to accept my emotions. She was not ready to understand me. She hurt me by saying all that. This hurt, this hurt, this hurt, this hurt. I felt really hurt. I didn't expect all this from her. I didn't expect all this from my parents. I felt really hurt because of this. This hurt. So you have to use all the points and you have to say 2 to 3 times, emphasizing on that emotion. Like this is hurt, so you have to say this hurt on every point 2 to 3 times. And also you have to say whatever you feel about the situation, you have to say it loud, or you can say it mentally, but you have to be very honest while doing EFT. Whatever you feel about the situation, even if you are feeling like abusing someone, you can do it mentally. It's okay, because you have to vent out that anger, you have to vent out that hurt. So you can do it while doing EFT, provided you're not hurting anyone. So you can do EFT, you can vent out all that you're feeling in the second step. And also you have to emphasize on the emotion, saying that this hurt, this fear, this fear, this fear, this fear, this fear, this fear, this depression, this depression, this depression, this depression, this depression, this depression, this frustration, this frustration, this frustration, this frustration, this frustration, this frustration. I hope you have understood the second step. Now let's go to the third step. The third step is about releasing. So first is identifying the emotion, what you're feeling. Second step is the acceptance. And the third step is emphasizing on the emotion and speaking out mentally whatever you feel about the situation. And the fourth step is releasing it. So the fourth step is the most important step. You have to release that hurt, you have to release that fear, you have to release that depression, you have to release all that which you're feeling that is making you really mentally sick. Okay, so the third step is you have to say like this. You have to start from the hand point and you have to say, even though I'm really hurt because of her, still I accept it and I choose to release it. Even though I'm really hurt because of the situation, still I accept it and I release it completely. I release the hurt completely. I allow myself to release it. I give myself permission to release it completely. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I allow myself to release this hurt completely. I release it completely. I release it completely. I give myself permission to release it. I choose to let it go. I choose to let it go. I choose to let it go. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. I release it completely. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. So friends, you have to use this statement, even though I am hurt, still I accept it and I choose to release it. Even though I am hurt, I accept it and I allow myself to release it. Because sometimes you are not able to release it. So you have to say, I allow myself. You can say that I give myself permission to release it, because you are very hurt and you don't want to release it and you are not able to forgive the other person. So you have to say, I allow myself. I give myself permission to release it. I give myself permission to forgive the person. It's okay. It's okay even if that person has hurt you. It's okay, because you are releasing this emotion for you, not for the other person. Because you are not feeling well. That's why you have to release it for yourself. Always remember, while doing EFT, we are doing it for our own self and not for the other person. If we keep on thinking about the other person, we won't be able to release it completely. So friends, you have to realize it that first you have to come out of it. And that's why if EFT is so powerful, because it helps you to accept, it helps you to release it completely from the core. So there are 3 steps. The first step is identifying the emotion. Second step is acceptance, by saying that even though I'm hurt because of this situation or because of this person, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself in this situation. You have to say this on the hand point. You have to say this 3 times. Then the second step is emphasizing on the emotion. This hurt. You have to start from the eyebrow point. This hurt. This hurt. I felt really hurt. How can she say that to me? How can he do that to me? How can my parents do all these things to me? I felt really hurt. I'm not able to forgive that person. I'm very hurt because of this situation. So say all that which you feel about that situation, just vent out all that which you feel inside, you have to say outside. You can do it silently or you can speak aloud. If you are having a calm place or silent place, you can say it aloud also, there is no problem. And the third step is releasing. So even though I am really hurt because of the situation or because of her, still I accept it and I choose to release it. So you have to say this on the hand point 3 times. And then coming to the eyebrow point, I allow myself to release it. I allow myself to release it. I give myself permission to release it. I give myself permission to release it. I allow it to let it go. It's okay. It's okay. Even if that person has hurt me, it's okay. It's okay. I release it completely. Release, release, release. 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 So these are the 3 steps of doing EFT. Subscribe to my videos more. I'm going to put more videos on different topics like fear of public speaking, hurt, frustration, resentment, irritation. So subscribe to my videos, follow it, and I'm also going to write down the detailed description of how to do EFT. If you're still not able to understand, you can follow that and you can do EFT. Thank you so much.